students. Today I am going to discuss about science. Science is such type of subject with the help of which we will come to know the truth around us. Science is truth. So you have to know the science, you should know your surrounding. You can get many things around you, around your home, inside your kitchen. Many things are there which are related to the science. Actually, science is everywhere. So to know science, it is not so much required also to go outside. The whole world, the whole universe, you can get in your home. If you try to find out each and every small things around you and what is the reason behind it, you can find it out, some important concept or important knowledge about science. Now you see, practically to do the science, you can make a small laboratory in our home. Now you see, I am preparing a home laboratory myself here. This is the science, I am giving the name science home laboratory, and I have given the name also to this laboratory, Bigyan. So you can also make a laboratory in your home, in the side of your study table, by giving a particular name by yourself. Now what are the things, what are the experiments we can do in our home, that one I want to tell you. Since I am a pupil of chemistry, so I want to tell you some of the important experiments which you can do in chemistry, the subject chemistry, from the kitchen. Our kitchen is a very nice laboratory, all of we have in our home. So for this experiment, I am collecting some of the materials from the kitchen and from my surrounding in the home. First of all, in my preparation, I have prepared this label and giving on the wall, keeping this particular corner of my study table, the right hand side corner of my study table, making my small laboratory. And these are the things which I am collecting from the surrounding waste material. Like you see, these glasses we are taking for making the beakers. These are the glass which we don't use now. So this is the funnel, already used the funnel. And for making the filter paper, I am taking this cotton cloth, a old handkerchief, washing properly and cutting into 4 pieces, and it can be used as a filter paper, like you do in laboratory filter paper. For filtering purposes, we can use this filter paper. Then I have kept some of the spoons I am getting in with some other food materials earlier. These are some of the small containers for where we get the cards and all. This one already used the small container, small bowl, which is used as a China dish here. Then some other things like that. In medicine, we get this type of cap where the measurings are given, 5 milliliter, 10 milliliter, like that. We can use this. So these are the apparatus I am collecting. You may collect many other apparatus which are from your laboratory, from your kitchen laboratory. Now you see, I am collecting some of the chemicals also. Experiment we will do later on. Today I am collecting some of the material. Like this is vinegar. Vinegar is acetic acid, and this one is the calcium oxide. This is utilizing soon, which you say. Then this is baking powder, means baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Then hydrogen peroxide, getting from the medicine soap. Then these are some of the bottles, small bottles of medicine I am collecting for using in these purposes. So like this is one of the another thing. This is the disposable bags we get nowadays in the market. This is also can be used as a filtering process, etc. Now this is another small container which I have got. So we will use these containers as a apparatus, and these chemicals from the chemicals for our work. Similar to that way in the kitchen, some other chemicals are also there. Indicator is there, turmeric is there. We will use the turmeric for our experiment, and onion juices we will prepare. The onion juices will be used as an indicator in the laboratory. In our laboratory, we can do it in that way. So these are the things I am showing you today, but you can do much better than me. You make your corner, it may be very small, but a small corner of your study table, you make a laboratory, home laboratory, give the name yourself and collect the material in this way. Waste material, you can use the reaction, you can use this apparatus for any chemical reaction which are already used up in the kitchen, you can use these nicely. So students, for knowing science, no need to go so much outside. First you know the science which is around you. And I think in my home laboratory Big Done, we will come to know many experiments. We will do many experiments. But this experiment I will show you in the next, in some videos, so that you will learn and you will do yourself some experiment around you. I am doing for chemistry, you can do for biology and physics also. Try to find out what is there in a particular phenomena around you, what is physics there, what chemistry is there, what biology is there. You should know about it. Then you will be able to find out the important things of the science. Thank you very much.